I'm making barbecue turkey wings. So I mixed some of my seasonings together and I'm going to just pour it on there. And over there, I'm going to use 2 packs. I'm going to take a little bit of this Alino seasoning and put it over there that you can get at your favorite supermarket that sells Spanish goods, okay? Now I'm going to put the Berman's Original, Squeezable Original barbecue sauce on. Put some barbecue sauce in there. There's not that much left. So you can cook this on high for 2 hours in your crock pot, or you can just let it cook for like 6 hours or so. Okay.